Hello friends, in this video I will explain about galvanic cell. First, let us see what is electrochemistry. It is a branch of science that deals with the conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy or conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy. The device which is used for the conversion of these energies is called electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells can be classified into two types. One is galvanic or voltaic cell, which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Second one is electrolytic or electrical cell, which converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Now let us see in detail about galvanic cells. This device is the combination of two half cells. One is anode and another one is cathode. Each electrode is immersed in its own salt solution. These two half cells are connected by voltmeter and salt bridge. At anode, the metal electrode undergoes oxidation, which gives electrons. These electrons move in the external circuit and reaches the cathode. At cathode, the metal ions in the solution take the electrons and undergo reduction. Daniell cell is an example for galvanic cell. This cell consists of two electrodes. One is zinc rod immersed in zinc sulfate solution and other is copper rod immersed in copper sulfate solution. These two electrodes are connected through voltmeter. The solutions are connected through salt bridge, which is filled with inert salt like potassium chloride or ammonium nitrate. At zinc electrode, oxidation of metal takes place, which results in the dissolution of zinc with the liberation of two electrons. Hence, zinc electrode acts as anode. These liberated electrons moves in the external circuit through voltmeter and reaches the copper electrode. As copper cannot undergo further oxidation, the cupric ions present in the solution undergo reduction. Hence, in copper electrode, addition of electrons with cupric ions results in the precipitation of copper. During this process, at zinc electrode will produce excess Zn2 plus ions, and at copper electrode, as it consumes Cu2 plus ions, there will be excess of sulfate ions. Hence, there will be imbalance of ions in both the solutions. The equilibrium of ions can be re-established by using salt bridge. This salt bridge will take excess sulfate ions towards Zn2 plus to bring the equilibrium. In summary, Daniell cell consists of anode zinc with zinc sulfate and cathode copper with copper sulfate. At anode, oxidation reaction takes place and at cathode, reduction reaction takes place. This is the overall reaction. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.